What's up, people? As you notice, something's missing. Don't mind all the mess. We have to clean it all up. Something's missing. That's right. Just put the radiator in just for now. The car still has a few little things we need to look into. I have to either... The radiator hose is touching the exhaust, so I gotta figure that out. But we're gonna take it for a little test cruise in a minute. Finishing up, gonna get some antifreeze in it so we don't blow it up on the first drive. But stay tuned. It's happening. Choo-choo. Yeah, buddy. Ready for a test drive around the block. I don't know if y'all can hear me too well because it's a little loud. But me and my boy Drew, we're taking for a whirl. So after this now, we got little things to look at. Need a throttle cable. Gotta probably have to shorten that exhaust like I said earlier. Boost lease test and pretty much ready for the dyno. Hit up my boy Mark from MH Tuning. Get it done. Stay tuned. It actually drives though. Smooth.
Remember too, you can still gotta break in the clutch.
I don't break in clutches.
Well, a little bit.
I do the Puerto Rican breaking.
No, I know, but
Swappity swappity as my boy do it.
that's what.
Car's still cold. I gotta put a thermostat in it. Yeah, it just did what? 2 mile ride? Easy. Yo, the car's big. I gotta give it to Mark. He always puts a real good big smash together. What's up, everybody? As you know, got the hatch up and running. Took it for a test drive. Everything's good. Today I'm gonna wash it. Before everybody goes talking smack, mind you, I live in the Northeast and it's the middle of January, so yeah, it ain't gonna be the best, but I'm gonna wash it. Stay tuned. Alright people, it's done. Didn't really do the engine bay too much. I would have to cover a whole bunch of stuff because I'm up pipe and all that stuff, but it's real cold out here today. It's probably in the 40s, low 40s. It was pouring all morning, so just did a quick little wash. I gotta figure something out about that dent. Drives me nuts. But it's coming along good. Runs good, turns on first shot every time. So gotta do the boost gauge. What do I gotta do? I gotta do boost gauge, air fuel, and I want to put a 3-port in it, and that's it. Then it should be ready to tune. What's up guys? I'm in here, I'm really not recording much. It's hard to record and just work on the car. I'm here, I'm gonna be installing the boost gauge. I decided to put it here. It's gonna go on a bracket that goes here, and then it's gonna sit in that bracket like so. So it'll sit nice in the middle here. And then I kind of went the ricer route for the air fuel ratio because I don't want to block my tack while I'm out and about hooning. So I'm gonna kind of go with the wideband there. So I have wideband there, boost there, oil there. So that's how the setup is gonna be. I'll keep you guys posted once the boost. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. So there it is. I wired it in. It goes down in here, comes across. I wired the light with this one, which to the clock, where the clock would be. This car doesn't have it, so I was able to do it there to get the power for the light. The vacuum goes down the dash, and there out through the firewall. And I'm not done on that side. That's the next one. I'm gonna do that now. So it goes through the firewall, comes through the firewall, comes out. So we were able to come for vacuum for the boost gauge from here. We have this, and that's where it's gonna go, right here. So this cable here will tie down into there. Try to see how I can make it as neat as possible, but that's how it's gonna go. All right, so here's the moment of truth. Make sure I'm not in gear. There we go. We got vacuum. All right. What's up, guys? Taking it for a little spin, as you guys can see. Driving it around, still not even warm yet. Got the other GoPro sitting outside getting the engine bay view. There's some flurries coming down. You're not really gonna see it on camera, but it is middle of January. It's kind of expected. Drives real good. Base bat my tuner gave me, Mark, is awesome. I can drive this right now every day if I really needed to. I don't, so I won't. I still gotta put the wideband in. I gotta put a map sensor in, and technically I'll be ready to go. That's okay, yeah, and then I'll be ready to go. So yeah, stay tuned. Almost there, almost dyno time. I don't know, motor seems pretty good. Seems nice and healthy. We'll see what it makes. It'll be on the 85, that's for sure. So we'll know shortly. See ya.